Hi guys, I haven't done any drug calculation videos for a while, so I thought I'd do one today about displacement values. Now, displacement values are really important because you need to be able to dissolve your medication to the right volume, because if you get the displacement values wrong and you add the wrong amount, you won't get the correct concentration, which isn't too much of a big deal if you're taking the whole dose, but in paediatrics where you're just taking a small dose for the children, it could mean that you're not correctly identifying the dose that you need and drawing up enough mils, or you're drawing up too many mils. So I'm just going to have 3 examples here that I'm going to go through you with displacement values. Displacement values are really easy, and once you've got it, you'll think, why didn't I ever get that? But I just thought it's worth going through anyway. So I'm just going to turn this around. So here I have my first example of coamoxiclav 1 gram in 10 mils. Just to say, these aren't accurate displacement values that are in the BNF for these drugs, so don't act, if you're doing this at work, don't act as these are displacement values. You need to look it up in your own formulary to work out what the actual displacement values are. These are just as examples. But here you see that you've got coamoxiclav that's 1 gram in 10 mils and the displacement value of 0.5 mils. So this will come in a powder, and you need to add usually water for injection or sodium chloride, but most of the time it's water for injection, to make 1 gram in 10 mils. Now, because the displacement value is 0.5, that's how much the powder increases the volume by. So you don't want to add 10 mils, because if you add 10 mils, it will make 10.5 because of this displacement. So what you have to do is add 9.5 mils, and then you've got that displacement value of 0.5 mils, and that will make 1 gram in 10 mils, and then you have this accurate amount there that you can then work out your drug calculation for. Another way of doing this, if that's confusing, is just to do 10, which is your mils, minus 0.5. and you'll get that 9.5 answer, but that one I can do in my head, so it's up to you, whatever's easiest, or whatever you find easiest. This is the next one. We've got meropenem, again a powdered drug, that's 2 milligrams in 10 mils and displacement value of 0.6. So with this one, because we're making 10 mils and you've got 0.6, you're going to add 19.4, and then that will make your 20 mils. So you know you're right, because 19.4 plus 0.6 equals 20, or again you can do 20 minus 0.6, and that will give you your answer of 19.4. This last one is a bit more complicated. So here you've got ceftazidime, 500 milligrams in 10 mils. Displacement value is 0.24. So it's not as easy to work out because it's using kind of odd numbers, but it's the same principle, that you're minusing you've got 10 and you're minusing 0.24, and that gives you the answer of 9.76. So you add 9.76 mils of water for injection to this solution, and that will give you your drug of 500 milligrams per 10 mils. I hope that was helpful for you, and I went through all the things that you need me to go through. If there's any questions, please comment below. Thanks again to all my subscribers. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, share my videos, and let me know what you want me to do a video on for next time. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.